How to fix black screen on Roblox in 2025. First of all, open the setting app on your phone. Tap on Wi-Fi section. Next, check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or caller signal can cause to black screen issue. Make sure you are connected to a strong network, whether it's a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Another step is to make sure Roblox is up to date. Open the App Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and scroll down to check for available updates. If you see Roblox listed, hit update to ensure you are using the latest version. Go back, clear cache the application. Go to settings, tap on journal, select iPhone storage, search for Roblox, tap on it. You will see a two option, upload app or delete app. Tap on upload app and again. If the issue persists, try restarting your iPhone. Hold down the power button and slide to turn off. Wait a few seconds and then power your phone back on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.